In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an error occurred when unpacking Unarc.dll returned an error code -1 error archive data corrupted. So first of all, you would click on this PC, right click here, properties, go to advanced system settings, and here you're going to go to advanced and then settings. So in this section, you want to click advanced and then change, and here uncheck automatically and then select custom size. In this first size, put 2000, and there you want to put either between 31,000 or 36,000. So sometimes you will have to change this depending on you're having errors or not. So for now, you can just put, for example, like 33,000. And then you can just, after you put these numbers, select set and then OK. Then click apply and OK. And then apply and OK. So it will ask you to restart your computer, so restart it. So if you had any errors, all you have to do is just go back to the same place and just readjust the values. So if you go here and go to settings and then go to advanced and then change, then unclick this custom. Just you have to change these values. So this is basically what you need to change to fix your issue. And that's it for this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.